Good morning, students. Once a student asked her teacher, "Teacher, can I change my fate?" The teacher told her, "Certainly you can change your fate." So the student asked, "Teacher, what are the things I will have to do to change my fate?" The teacher said, "You will have to change your habits. If you change your habits, your fate will be changed." The student got confused. She was thinking, what are the things that what habits I will have to change? She asked the teacher, "Can you please explain?" The teacher thought for a while. Then she asked the student, "You take a note and write it down. There are 8 habits. If you change it, you will become a successful person. Whoever has not changed this habit, if you check in the history, they all have become unsuccessful. But if you change these habits, you will be a successful person." The teacher continued. The first habit you will have to change is the lack of self-discipline. Discipline and self-discipline. These are two things. Discipline is like you are riding a motorcycle and you know there is police on the road, so you will wear a helmet. That is discipline. Self-discipline is you don't bother about the police, but you wear your helmet and you go out. That is self-discipline. If you have a self-discipline, you will be able to change your fate. So the student said, "Okay, teacher, what will be the next thing?" The teacher said, "The next thing is lack of daily planning." Like you are a student and you have to plan your things on a daily basis. Like when you wake up in the morning, you must have a plan for that day. You must have a plan, what I will do, what are the things has to be done. Like in between, if the school is closed early, so after that what you will do. All these things, it should be in your plan. It is not that suddenly the school closes and you will think, "Oh, I have this much time. I planned that this much time will be my class and after that I will study." So your class finishes at 3:30. Okay, one day something happened and the class finished at 12. So 1 o'clock. So 2.5 hours there is free for you. So you think, "Yeah, I will play, I will waste my time playing." That is not planning. You must have a plan for that day, that if the school closes early, I will study or I will do something. I will utilize that time in a better way. That will help in my future. The third thing is no prioritizing. Means you don't prioritize your things. Prioritizing means like you want to become a doctor, example. And you have two things, like you have a book or you have to go to the library to collect the books, and the second thing is that you have to go for a movie. If you go for a movie, then you are prioritizing the movie, then your studies are held back. So first prioritize is on you must prioritize on your studies. So you must go to the library and you must collect the books, you must study. Then if you have some spare time, then you can go for the movie. It's just an example. So you must prioritize your things. If you don't prioritize, you will not be successful. Your fate will never be changed. The fourth thing is procrastination. Procrastination means you just think like if you have to do something today itself and you will think, "No, I will not do it today, I will do it for tomorrow." You prolong it for the next day, you keep it for the next day. That is called procrastination. That is a very bad habit. If you have that habit, definitely your fate will never be changed and you will be unsuccessful. If you see the people who are successful, they have never prolonged their things. They have done it at the right time and at the same time. The fifth one is more sleeping. Like now you are students. The best time for the students to sleep is 10 o'clock, from 10 o'clock till 5:30. 7.5 hours sleep is more than enough for you. If you sleep more, you will be less productive. If you see successful people, they wake up early at 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock. Their mentality is they will get more time in that day so they can be productive. So more sleeping is a bad habit. Sixth is doing unproductive works. You do lot of things that are unproductive, like you spend your time on Facebook. Lot of time you spend on Facebook, WhatsApp. It's not bad, but if it is not productive for you, if it is not useful for you, what is the use of spending that much time on these social media and other platforms? It will be a waste for you. So doing unproductive things, it's a waste. It's a bad habit. The seventh one is fear of failure. Fear of failure. For example, if you want to go to Patna, you went to Chathani bus stand, and before entering the bus, you will think, oh my God, if I sit in this bus and the bus will move forward and it will have an accident. So you will never travel in that bus. That is the fear of failure. All the people who have been successful in their life have faced failure. Einstein, Isaac Newton, Dr. Abdul Kalam, everybody has faced failure. Then only they have become success. So fear of failure, that is the seventh bad habit. And the eighth and last bad habit is relationship with valueless people. You must have a good relationship with people, but having relationship with people who don't have any values, who don't have any vision in their life, if you keep relation with them or friendship with them, definitely you will become like that. A blind man cannot lead you a proper way. So if you have friendship with a blind man, you will also be in the same way. This is just an example. It's not anything personal with anyone. So the teacher said, if you change these 8 habits, your fate will be changed. I hope this video will be helpful for other students who are studying in class 9 and class 10. Thank you.